If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin Update today for Monday. The new week is starting off, and it's starting off with a red candle right off the bat. So Monday started off and it's actually getting recognized. It's saying that, hey, I am Monday and I want you to look at me. So by the way, if you're new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and always press the bell icon, man. So 3 days left to close the signal as well, so do check it out if you want to join the signals at the moment. So at this pace, we're looking for Bitcoin trading at 16,243. But today, I'm probably not in the mood of talking about what Bitcoin is going to do based on the charts, because I've told you the whole scenario, I've told you the whole story. And as far as I see things, I'm going to keep it simple and very, very simple. All you did is went down, moved sideways a little bit, and you make that pennant right there, broke out the pennant, and now you're moving all the way up like this, and it's time for you to really drop all the way down to the technical target of being $12,000. Okay, so that's pretty much it. But I do see a lot of things happening in out there in the world in general, okay? And I think it's time for me to maybe just have a small conversation in this video, an educational conversation regarding the phases of a market, because I think that now people are silent, people are in disbelief, people are tired, and people are tired of waiting. And the market probably, as far as I see things going on, it's gonna have to make people wait even way more than you are doing right now. So the market is doing its perfect thing. If you feel like, because I'm looking at so many people and they're like, you know, when I talk about Bitcoin, maybe it's going to go back up to $82,000, which is my price prediction. It remains for a long term. People are going to be like, $82,000? Are you serious? Is it going to do $82,000? Nobody wants to believe it's going to do that. And that is why I think the market psychology is doing its job perfectly. Okay. If you are forced to think like that, or if you're thinking like that, then the market psychology is working and everything is working according to the plan, according to the way the market has been behaving for the past 100 years. By the way, it has been like that for 100 years. Okay, they go down, they make boring sideways movement. Just like I can do the following. What did I want to search? I want to search for the market psychology, or here we are. So the market psychology, open up the images right there. And I like to always, whenever I feel demotivated and whenever I feel like, hey, I don't have any hope anymore, and I bought my coins long time ago and this stupid market has been dumping all the way down and I don't know what to do anymore. This is what I like to look at, okay? This is what I like to look at. And we potentially could be in the phase of, probably disbelief right now. Or maybe not even disbelief, maybe denial, maybe panic a little bit. Maybe people are panicking. Maybe it's time for capitulation. We still have probably that capitulation coming in to $8,000. And that's where we're going to be facing anger. We're going to be like, what is going on? What is going on? I don't believe it. Don't you see this was invented a long time ago? This very picture works for every time frame, and right now this time frame works on a monthly. Okay, so it is gonna take a lot of time. So it all depends. It's a cycle. It's all a cycle. Here's the accumulation. Okay, disbelief, it's not gonna go up. It goes up and everybody gets euphoric, excited, comes down, move sideways, come down to panicking, go down for capitulation, come down again for the anger, go for the disbelief. It's never gonna go up anymore. Boom, shoot all the way to the upside. This cycle keeps going on again and again, and I cannot even stress enough. And I think that was an important piece of talk that I had to do on Bitcoin right now. So that's pretty much it. 12,000 is still in play, 8,000 is still in play, and let's see how the market psychology is gonna force you to think like, I'm relaxed, I'm sitting back, I do have the patience in the world. It's a bitter truth that you must have patience. It's a fruitful thing to have. Its reward is actually quite fruitful. So anyway, that's pretty much it for this update on Bitcoin, and I do want you to join our Discord and join the signals. It's super cheap, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.